Magandang araw na naman po sa lahat ng mga tagapanood, mga ka-viewers. Good afternoon pa rin po sa inyong lahat. Magandang hapon po. At this is our Skip Bow full episode 5. The date is July 26, 2024. So, kunin na natin itong Skip Bow deck natin. So, let's shuffle our deck. Okay. Let's shuffle more. Ulitin natin para maghalo-halo ang mga cards. Okay. Okay, so let's deal 10 stockpiles for now. So, 10 stockpiles naman. Subukan natin ng 10 stockpiles. So, each player have 10 stockpiles. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ganon din po sa kalaban po natin. Our opponent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, we have to deal 5 cards to each player. Dati pa natin ginagawa. Okay. So, let's deal 5 cards. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, nagil dyan sa ang ating sa gilid ng ating draw pile. So, our opponent's turn na pagtitira muna. So, we have to buklat natin ang ating stockpile. Okay. They have skip bow, so they have to place their 1, and this is their 2. Then they have 3. Then they have 4, 5. So, they have to discard the last card 10. So, ang ganun pa rin yung dati. But, kapag, inulit ko sa inyo, kapag ang last card ay diniscard natin sa discard pile, ito na siya bubunot ulit ng 5 cards. Then, kapag siya na naman titira, bubunot ulit siya ng 5 cards. So, 5 cards. Bulot siya mamaya ng 5 cards. So, ngayon, discard niya yung last card niya is 10. So, we have 5 cards. So, hindi natin bubunot ng cards. So, we have 5 cards in our hand. So, now, we have skippable card. Skippable card has this with this. We play this 6. So we have 7 there, so we have to play. So that is play. We have 1 there, so at ito sa stack pa natin have 1. So we have play the 1, then flip the next card. So this is 5, 6, 7. So we have to discard our card 11. So we have 3 cards in our hands. So we have, okay, bubunot ulit ng dalawa. So, ang kalaban ay bubunot ulit ng exactly cards. 5 cards to from their hand. Okay, puro pa parehong cards. So, we have to see are their cards. So, their turn. So, they have no to play para matira ang 10. So, they have to discard their card 7 to their discard pile. So, tayo na po titira. We have 3 cards. Bubuntin ng dalawa. 2. Okay, so we have 2 there. So, may 1 tayo dyan. So, pwede natin itira tong 2. We have 1, 2, okay, 2, 3. We have, may 8 tayo dito. We have 8. Then we have discard pile is the stock pile so that we can play 9. So, we have to discard our card 11. So we have 1 card. So, the opponent has 4 cards. Draw 1 card. So, they have 9. So, meron natin 9 dyan. So, they have to discard. They have to discard their stockpile. Ilagay dito sa building pile. So, 10. So, 9 na yan. So, pwede na itira ka ng stockpile at ilagay ang 10. 10, 9. So, we have no cards to play the 9. So, but they have their 4 there. So, they have 4, 3, 3, 4. So, yung huli is 3. So, 2, 3. So, skippable cards are used any numbers. So, ito ay 4. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, discard the last card, 7. So, let's see. So, bubunot tayo ng 4 cards. So, ang last card natin dito is 7. So, 3 kanina. So, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, our turn. So, diniscard din natin yung isa pa ng card. So, itong 7. So, we have 11. Wala tayo, ito 11. So, bitira natin ng 11. So, we have 12. So, when we reach 12, when the building pile reaches 12, it is, set aside natin ito na reach 12, the reaches 12. So, then we can place another card here in any 4 building piles. So, we have to place 1. Then, we have no cards to play. So, we have to discard our card 6. So, their turn. You have to 5 cards. Okay. Okay, so they have 7. So may 7 dyan sa building pile. So they have to play their skippable card as a 8. Then they have 9. 8. So we have 10 there. So pwede natin tira yan. 10. Dahil dito sa discard pa niya. So they have to discard again the 7. Okay. The opponent's turn is tapos na. The opponent's turn is ended. Tapos na ang tira ng ating kalaban. So, you have to draw 3 cards. So, we have 3 cards. 5 cards. So, you have 1 again here. So, pwede natin tumira ng 1 again here. Then, you have 2. So, you have 11 there. So, tira natin yan. 11. Ito sa discard pa natin kanina. Kaya pwede natin tira ng 11. So, no cards available to play. So, we have to discard our 6. So, opponent's turn now. 3 cards ang kanilang hawak. So, they have to draw 2. So, their turn. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Flip the next stack pile. 7. So, they have to discard their last card, 4. So, our turn, 2 cards. So, we have to draw 3. 1, 2, 3. So, we have 9. So, we have 9 there. So, dito sa ating stockpile, so we have to play 9, 12. So, we have 11 dyan. So, pwede natin tira itong 12. 12. Discard the card. So, flip the next card. 12. So, we have 10 here. 10. We have 9. So, 10. 11. 12. Flip the next card. Okay. Set aside yung nabuong card. And then sa building pile. So, we have no available cards to play. So, we have 1 there. So, wala tayong 2 and 3. And 4. And may 4 tayo. Pero wala tayong 3. Wala tayong 2. So, we have to discard our 5 in our discard pile. So, opponent's turn now. Forced to draw all cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, their opponent's turn. So, they have 2, 1, 2, 3. So, last card is 1. So, 2, 3, 4, 5. No cards to play. So, they have to discard their card 10. So, our turn. 2 cards. Bunutin na 3. So, we have 5 dyan. So, we have 6 there. So, 6, 6, 6, 7 are wild card. 6, 7, 8, 7. So, we have no cards to play. So, pero meron pa tayo sa 9. So, we have 9. 9. So, discard our card. 8. Having discard pile. We have 2 cards here. So, they will draw 4 new cards. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, they have 7. Reach the 7 goal. They have to discard another card. 12. So, so our turn, 2 cards. 1, 2, 3. Discard our 8. So, the opponent's turn. The opponent's turn, so they have to draw 9. So, 9 yan. So, they have 10 to play. 10, 11, 12. So, discard na natin ang nabuong 12 in nabuong building pile. Na-reach 12, tanggalin na natin. Yung umabot sa 12 sa building pile natin at ilagay natin sa gilid. So, kaya shuffle sa ibang cards. Mamaya. So, we have 4 cards. Draw 1 card. We have no available cards to play. So, discard our 1 card. Okay. 3 cards. Meron sa kanya. So, 2 cards ang kinatira. Bubunot niya. So, they have playable cards. 1. So, they have to play their both ones. So, 1. Then, they can play on also the 1. So, they have to discard their 9. So, we have to draw 1 card. Okay, we have to discard 1 card again. 1 card. Okay, 6. Discard are 6. So ang kalaban ay bubunot ng 3. Okay. So the playable card is 2. Then they have 1 to play. So they have to discard the card 9. So we have 4 cards. Draw 1 card. We have 1 again to play. 1, 2. So we have 3. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for our sa ating wala dito sa ating stockpile. Flip the next card. 6. So 7, 8, 9, 2. Okay, kapag natira natin lahat ang mga cards natin ng isang tira, bunot pa tayo ng 5 cards. 2, 3, 4, 5. So, the last card is 2. 1, 2. So, also we have to play 2 there. 1, 2. 1, 2. So, we have to discard 1 card again. So, yan. Discard the 9. They have to draw 3 cards. 1, 2, 3. So, they have no playable cards. So, the last card is 1 and 2, 2, 1. 9. So, they have 10. So, they have to play the 10. Then, discard 1 card, 9. So, our turn now. The opponent's turn ends. So, our turn now. 2 cards to draw. 2. So, we have 2 there. So, we have to play carefully. So, 1, 2. 1, 2. So, this is 3, 4. So, tingnan natin So, that is last is 2. So, pwede na natin dito sa 1, 1, 2. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Flip the next card. 5. So, we have to discard our last card. 11. So, meron pa tayong tira dito. So, 11. Then, discard the last card. 11. Okay. We have last card in our stockpile. So, 1 card for opponent. That is 2. So, pwede yung tira yung 2. So, 2 here. 2 din dito. Then, discard 1 card. Then, our turn. So, tayo bubunot ng buo. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we have to discard 10. discard one card. Here. So, the opponent draws 2. So, they have no playable cards anymore. Kasi puno ng ating building pile. Kaya they have to discard 1 card. Tayo ay we have 4 cards. We have to draw 1. So I have 10. So, they have to have 10. So, 10, 11, discard the 1 card, 7. Here or here. Ito. So, the opponent's turn has 1 draw card. So, they have to play 6. 6 dito. So, 7, 8, they need 9. So, walang 9. So, discard niya ang 10. Dito. Sa discard pile. So, we have to draw 2. So, ganun pa rin. You have to discard. So, we have 9 dyan. Pero, nakakulong so hindi pa natin pwedeng gamitin yan. So, hindi pa pwedeng gamitin. So, you have to discard the card 12. Here. So, we have 12. So, we have 12. So, nabuno yung 12. So, we have to put that. Then, mawawala ulit yan. Set aside the card. Na-build ulit. So, we have 3. Pero, mamaya natin tira yan. So, I have to discard the 8. Now, opponent's turn has to draw 1 card. They have no 9 to play. So, nakulong kanina. So, we have to discard the 12. So, our turn now. 2 cards. 1, 2, 3. So, di pwede ka natin galawin ng 3. So, I have to discard another card, 5. So, opponents, ganun pa rin. Discard all the cards. Ang buno natin. So, ang kailangan na natin dyan is 3, 4, 5. So, 3, 4. So, kailangan natin ng 3 and 4. So, we have to draw 3 cards. Okay. So, the round ends. So, 3. So, you have 3 twos dyan. So, you have to play 3, 4, 5. So, the round ends. So, tapos na pang ating laban. So, the first player to empty their stockpile wins the game. So, each player, bibilangin natin ng points ng kanyang stockpile. Ang isang laman ng isang stockpile is 5 points. So, let's count their stockpile. So, let's count their points. Ang naibawas sa kanila, sa ating kalaban, sa player 2. So, let's see. Okay. Let's count their total score. One stockpile has 5 points. So, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So, they have 30 points minus 30 points. So, they have 6 left. 6 more stockpile. They have 6 more stockpiles to win the game. So, they have minus 30 points. Okay. So, this is our full episode 5 of Skipbo. Then, magkita-kita palit tayo sa next episode ng Skipbo Full Episodes. Thank you for watching mga ka-viewers. Magkita-kits na lang pa tayo sa next episode. Bye-bye! At ito pong tandaan ng mga taga-panood po natin. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Skipbo Full Episodes, for more videos to upload. Thank you for your support and God bless us all. Magkita-kita pa po tayo sa next episode, Full Episode 6. Bye-bye!